Want to get certified in 2026, but you'd rather not pay for the exam? I have good news for you because with the Microsoft AI Skills Fest, you can get a free certification voucher, and all you have to do is learn a little AI. And even better, you don't just have the voucher to win. Yes, you can just finish one learning playlist and get a 100% off free certification voucher, but you can also win one of the 28 additional prizes with a value of $25,000. Now, for both the certification voucher and the other prizes, there are a few things you need to know. So, in this video, what we'll cover is we'll quickly go through what the AI Skills Fest actually is. After that, we'll cover how to get your free certification voucher. There are a few steps in there that if you miss them, you're not going to get anything. And finally, we're going to cover the eligibility for the additional prizes, what they are, that $25,000, and who is eligible to win them, because it's not everybody. But before we go to the free voucher, let's cover what the AI Skills Fest actually is. The Microsoft AI Skills Fest is a free online event running all week from June 8th to the 12th, 2026. Everything lives on the Microsoft AI Skills Navigator website, and it doesn't cost you a single dollar. The content is for everyone, so whether you're a developer, an IT pro, a business user, or a student, there's content for you. And the best part, the registration is already open, even if we're not June 8th yet, or at least not at the time I'm recording this video. And there's actually a major benefit of registering early, which I'll cover in a few minutes. So what happens during that week? First, you got a main stage with global experts on AI and the human skills that go with it. Then there are role-based playlists matched to your job and things you want to learn. We also have daily live shows, one on each day on LinkedIn. There's a hackathon where you get to build an agent, and there's a leaderboard. And we also have exam prep with a live expert-led certification sessions. But for our mission today, which is getting that free voucher, the playlists are the part that really matters. So that's the one we'll focus on. Okay, so now I know a lot of you came here for that free certification voucher. So let me show you how. And the good news is that it's really simple. The first thing you need to do is to register over on the AI Skills Navigator site. And don't worry, I'll have links for you in the description below for everything I'm talking about. So right after this video, you'll have an easy access. After that, you'll complete one eligible playlist anytime during the event between June 8th and the 12th. And once you're done with that, you get your reward, which is a voucher for 100% off a Microsoft certification exam, plus a creditly badge that you can show off on LinkedIn. So far it looks pretty easy, right? But there are a couple of catches that you need to know about, because this is exactly where people do the hard work, but then they don't get the voucher and wonder why. First, this is the big one. The voucher doesn't just show up automatically. After you finish your playlist, you have to fill out a form to actually claim it. And if you skip that form, you get nothing. So don't forget that part. We do not have the URL for the form yet, so when Microsoft shares it, I'll put it in the description below. Next up, it's really important that you do not edit or customize that playlist in the AI Skills Navigator website, because that can disqualify you, so just leave it the way it is. And also important to know that there's only a one reward per person rule, so finishing 5 playlists still gets you 1 voucher. Of course, you're welcome to do as many playlists as you want and learn during that week, but they just won't give you additional vouchers. And finally, that voucher does expire, and you have 60 days to use it with a hard deadline of August 11th, 2026, so schedule that exam as soon as you can. Now you might be wondering what you can actually spend this voucher on, and the answer is, to my surprise, pretty generous. Like I said, it's 100% off, so a genuinely free exam, and it works on basically any Microsoft certification exam, including the beta ones and even GitHub certification exams. The only two things that it will not cover are exams delivered by Certiport and the Microsoft Office Specialist exam. So whether you're going for an Azure certification, Microsoft 365, security, or of course an AI one, you are good to go. And again, for the free voucher, this is open worldwide to everybody. But now let's talk about the other $25,000 worth of prizes, because this is where things, well, unfortunately, get a little more exclusive. So what can you actually win? Well, the top prize is one of 3 VIP trips to Microsoft Ignite 2026 in San Francisco, which is a seriously cool prize, and those are worth up to $5,000 each. It includes some airline credits, includes hotel, includes even some custom shoes for Ignite, so lots of cool stuff there. And on top of that, there are 25 technology packages, each one worth around $400. Now, I know I have a Surface laptop in there in the slides, but Microsoft did not confirm exactly what that technology price package will be. It could be an Xbox, it could be cameras, it could be a Surface. We don't know yet. You're going to get choices to choose from if you're one of the winners. So we have 3 VIP trips to Ignite, 25 technology packages, so total of 28 winners. But now there is a small catch. Those prizes are only open to legal residents of 7 countries, and that's the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, Germany, France, India, and Mexico. So if you're not on that list, I know it's a bit of a bummer, but look, if you're in one of those countries, you can win both the certification voucher and one of the awesome prizes. And if you're not, let's be honest, that free certification voucher is still a really cool prize. And one quick tip, if you're in one of those countries, if you register before June 8th, you get 2 entries instead of 1. So basically you double your chances. So and don't forget that registering early costs you nothing. So as soon as you see this video, as soon as you finish it, go at the link in the description and register. Okay, so if we recap everything over here, the first thing you have to do after this video is go register on the AI Skills Navigator website. Again, link will be in the description. Then pick a playlist that matches the certification you're aiming for, so the time you spend learning doubles as prep for the exam. Finish that playlist during the event, and remember, do not edit it. And after that, fill out the voucher form, because that's the step everyone forgets. And don't forget to redeem the exam before August 11, 2026. The only step missing from this slide is make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. I try to post all the different offers by Microsoft for you to get free certifications and cool prizes. So if you don't want to miss the next one, please subscribe to the channel. But now I'm curious, what exam are you planning to take with your free voucher? Please let me know down in the comments below. I love to see what you're all working towards. And if this video has helped you, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot to me, and I try to always post the latest Microsoft certification news. Talking about that, on the screen right now you'll see one more video about the latest certification news that's worth your time. So I hope I'll see you in the next video.